Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Exciting morning this morning. I'm going snorkeling to see the turtles and some coral reef. I'm borrowing an underwater camera from Chi, one of the girls that works at the dive centre, so I can get loads of footage underneath water. I'm super excited. I've been to the Maldives 3 times and I've never managed to get on this trip. It's never really happened before, so I'm finally getting to see the turtles. And like I say, I'm so excited about it. So I've got my flipper fins, I believe they're called, I'm not too sure, and my snorkel. I'm on my way now to departure line where the boat's going to go from. I'm so excited. I'm excited to see the turtles. I'm excited to get on the boat. I'm excited to get off the island and get in the sea and get in the water. I'm going to be back with lots more footage.
It will take 20 minutes to reach our snorkeling point. We go inside the door. It's a small reef. We stay on the surface. Most of the times we saw a turtle there. So today also we have up with a turtle. So let's hope for the best. We like this experience today. So let's enjoy the ride. Let's go. Guys, that was so much fun. I got to see turtle. One came right up. Well, you're going to see other footage anyway, but when it came right up in front of me, I was like, you're just showing off right in front of me right now. It was so cool. I was like the last one out of the sea. I'm always like, I've got a really big fear of like water and the sea and stuff, but I'm so proud of myself. Like,
I really enjoyed that, and I even managed to go like underneath water as well. Like, and I normally like really panic with things like that, but yeah, I managed to do it all. So I'm so like proud of myself, and I got to see turtles, and it showed up right in front of me. So I'm such a happy boy right now. We're just on his way back to the island. I hope you can hear me with all the noise from the engine and stuff. But yeah, so cool, guys. I'm so happy.